Now my wife saw this bed on Amazon, or one similar to it, and didn't want to pay for it and asked me if I could make it. And I said, well, of course I can make it. So this is just made out of construction grade lumber, nothing fancy about it. And yeah, that's it. Enjoy. Now I'd like to apologize. After going back, I recorded this video before I had a tripod. So I was setting my phone up in a vise on a table, trying to get the best shot possible, and everything's kind of far away and it's kind of hard to tell what's going on, and I missed a couple shots, and I ended up with like 3 hours of me sanding, and that's not even in there because no one wants to see anybody sand anything. So video is a little short and it's all kind of far away, but hopefully a few you can get something from it. So again, I'd like to apologize for the poor video quality. I'm still learning how to set this all up properly. And the lights hanging above the bed on the dowel, they're actually little LED lights powered by 2 AA batteries. So there's no high voltage going across the bed, nothing to worry about. It's just 3 volts from 2 AA batteries. So it's safe. They're not too bright. They're a lot dimmer than they look in the video, and they work great as a nightlight, and my son loves it. I learned a lot making this bed. I hope you guys learned something too. Thanks for watching.